Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to add a profile image to your Amazon Prime Video profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, and right now, as you can see, my profile picture is quite bland and I want to add a profile image. We're gonna focus on that. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply hover over your profile name and your profile picture right there on the top right nav bar. Once you hover over it, something like this will open up. Well, right now we're only gonna focus on your profile section. I'm just gonna scroll down, and just below add new, you'll see something like manage profiles. Just click on it. Then you'll be redirected to a new page like this. Initially, what you guys need to do is click on this edit profile button right here at the very bottom. Now I want to edit this specific profile, so I'm gonna select this one. Now this page will open up. Well, do note that you can add your profile pin and locks, remove profile, change your profile name, and finally, change your profile image from right here. At the top right, here's an icon like this. I'm just gonna click on it. Then from here, I can change the profile image. I will simply choose the image of my choice. And once everything's okay, I'm simply gonna hit on Save Changes. And guys, that's it. As you can see, we have added a profile image to our Amazon profile. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we add an image to your Amazon Prime Video profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.